So hello everyone. So this is a question that I had given wherein you had to form groups, and there were some people who had made some of the other mistake. So if you look at this, major points that you need to focus on is who can be together and what are the conditions when they can be together or they may not be together. That's all that I think of. So we'll use initials because the name have different initials out here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K and L. So, and it says they have to be divided into two equal groups, spicy and chili, right? Now D and F have to be selected in the same group, so we'll say DF is together, right? The next says I and C are always selected in the same group. IC is also together. A and L are never selected in the same group because they fought with. That's okay. So A and L को हम साथ नहीं रख सकते हैं. A cross L. If G is in spicy, then H is in the same group spicy. So this is like if A then B. So it says if G is in spicy, then H, G is in spicy, we'll denote that by S. Then H is also in spicy. Suppose G is not in spicy, then H has a choice, may or may not. Fine. Then it says if G is in spicy, then B and J both are not in spicy. Then we'll say B is not in spicy. Also J is not in spicy. Suppose G is not in spicy, then B and J have a choice. They can be neither of the groups, right? Look at the next. J and E are always in the same group. So we'll say, okay, J, E, same group. And K is not in chili, right? So if you were to divide it like spicy and chili, so for sure we know that K is not in chili, so K has to be in spicy, right? And because we have to have equal groups, so there has to be 6 members in spicy and 6 members in chili. Now, as per question number 1, and nothing else is known to us, so we have to go question by question. It's a non-deterministic kind of set. So how do you handle non-deterministic sets? Go question to question. It's our first question says what? If D and G are selected in spicy. So we have D and G out here. Now if you look at D, F comes into picture. If you look with G, if G is in spicy, H is also in spicy, right? And if G is in spicy, then B and J are not in spicy, so they have to be in chili, B and J. And with J, who will come in? E, right? And there are two guys, A and L, they cannot be together basically. Fine. So if I put A out here, L goes to chili. If I put L out here, A goes to chili. Now if you see, because in spicy we need only 6 people, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th member is one among A and L, right? So that means the remaining members are definitely in chili itself. They are already in chili itself, right? So that means what? In how many ways can the groups be formed? Obviously 2 ways. It all depends on A and L are in which group. So the answer for the first question is 2, which most of you got it correct, right? Now some people have just answered for question number 2 as A, thinking that if G is in spicy, then B and J are both not in spicy and hence they have to be together. It's not that. It all depends whether G is in spicy or not, right? So we have to use the second question के लिए some different condition there. So for that, ideally, if you see, we'll have to erase out this information that is here. We'll have to erase out the information that is here. So let's quickly do that. We only know that K is not in chili. Apart from that, we cannot say anything else. And obviously A and L can be anywhere in either of the groups, right? So you could have said obviously something about A and L. So K is obviously in spicy, and we have A, L or LA out here. So if A is in spicy, L is in chili. If L is in chili, L is in spicy, A is in chili. That is something. And obviously K is always out here, right? Now it says F is in spicy. So this guy F is in spicy. Along with F, who will come into picture is D, right? So we already have 4 members. So we have to keep the track of members also. While it says Clara and Ghungru, C and G are in the same group. Now you need to understand, wherever C goes, I will go along with that. So I and C have to go together, right? And G, if I put G in spicy, what happens? H will also come into spicy. So in case if I'm putting G in spicy, so 1, 2, 3, 4 members are already there. If I put I, or if I, let's say if I put both I and C and G out here, so we'll already have 6 members out here, and with along with C who also has to come I, so that is not a possible case. That means IC will go to chili as well as G will go to chili. G has to go to chili. I hope you're getting this point, right? So G has to go to chili. Fine. So now I'm left with what? So four members here, 4 members here. So if you keep track of members who are left, fine. One guy is B, the other is H, then we have J and E. These are the 4 members who are left, and I have to put, and we know that J has to be together. Now wherever J will go, either in spicy or in chili, it will complete that set. So that means B and H have to be together. So the answer is C. So I hope this point is clear. As soon as we place 4 members out here, we are left with these 4 members. Out of these 4 members, J have to be together. So definitely B and H will be together. So that is the answer C. Now question number 3 was a simple one which you could have just gone through options and tried and eliminated. The answer is clear cut C. Reason being very very simple, that A and L में से कोई एक spicy and chili में होना चाहिए. But if you see whichever group is this, either spicy या chili, I need to have one of A or L out here. None of them are here. So the answer is definitely C. Right? And right. So now we try and look at the last question that is there. So for that also we need to follow the conditions that are there basically. So let's try and figure that out. Right. So we know K has to be in spicy. K has to be in spicy. And we also know that L and M से somebody will be in chili and somebody will be in spicy. ठीक है? So we just keep that much as it is. Now, so let's say in how many ways can the group spicy be formed if D and J are in the same group? Now D and J are in the same group, so we're not sure D and J are in which group. They are in the same group, so they could be either both of them could be in spicy or both of them could be in chili. So let's try and put, or let's try and make a case wherein D and J are both in spicy. So if D is in spicy, F comes in spicy. If J is in spicy, E comes in spicy. That means the remaining members will automatically go to chili, right? Because in spicy we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So if you see, the group can be formed in 2 ways out here, because we have kept D and J, in spicy, D and J both in spicy. So along with D, who comes into picture? F. Along with J, who comes into picture is E. Right? Now, suppose we had kept D and J out here. So along with D, who will come? F. Along with J, who will come? E. Now, these guys are fixed, right? A and L, if you look at this part, guys, K has to be in spicy. One of AL will be in spicy, right? So the other member will be in chili. So we'll say in chili there are 1 member out here, 2, 3, 4, 5 members, right? In spicy we already have 2 members. Fine. And now we have this condition. So who are left? If you see, J ka data has been used. So you have to think of IC. Can I have IC out here? So if you see chili mein there is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So IC cannot be there. So IC has to be in spicy. Okay. Now I'm left with G. So if G is in S, H will also be in S. So now I have to think, if I place G out here, who also has to come here? H. But there can be a second case where I may not keep G out here. So if I keep G out here, H has to be in the same groups, and B and J will be in the different group. So obviously, can we have B and J? J is already in a different group. We need one more person out here, so that will be B. So that fulfills the case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But what if the case was something here? We have DJ, we have FE, we have IC out here, right? The fifth member for Chile was one among LA. The third and the fourth member is one is certainly K, and the fourth member is one among A and L, right? So if you see this case, what will happen? If I keep G out here, this completes the entire case, right? Now if G is in S, H has to be in S, but if G is not in S, H can be anywhere. Similarly, if G is not in S, B and J can be anywhere, right? They may not be in spicy. So if A happens, B will happen. If the A does not happen, B, the second part, may or may not happen. So that means I can keep all the other members out here, right? So the other members that I'm talking about is H can be here, as well as B can be here, right? And in both these cases, this one and this one, the only thing that matters is where do I place A and L. So I can place A and L in two ways out here, as well as A and L in two ways out here. So altogether, how many cases do we have? 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 6 ways. So you could have figured out this very, very easily. I did a lot of, sorry. So what I have done out here is I have actually tried and give you maximum possible data out here. So I've done a lot of analysis basically so that you understand how to go about it, but you could have figured it out very easily. Fine. So guys, I hope you understand this case properly, right? So we'll look at some other cases also, and let's focus on much better sets also, because this was the easy one. Still a lot of you did not get all correct, so my idea is that you have to get all correct. Now try and focusing on your accuracy level also. That's something that is important, especially the easier sets. You should get it all correct, so that I can only talk about meet moderate ones and the higher level ones. Obviously I'm trying to put up more higher level ones, but we have to think that CAT can have both kind of sets there. So be focused, that's more important, and let's do all with our enthu. That is what we require now. So catch you with the other set. Yeah.